Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Wasim. In the last video, we have completed the session of day 1 of C programming language, and in this video we will complete the day 2 contents. So, I will show you what are the contents of day 2. Here we can see in this session we will learn about the variables, data types and operators, and we will write some programs to manipulate variables and data types. Firstly, I will tell you about the variables. Let me write. So, a variable is a the type of statement or any value that stores the value in it. So here I will write statement that declares a variable and specifies its type, because in C language we have 4 data types. Firstly, we will discuss about the data types, then we will go for variables. There are only main 4 data types is there. First one is integer data type. The second one is character data type. Char means character, int means integer data type. Third one is float, FLOAT, and the fourth one is double, DOUB. The format specifier for int is %d. We can use %i also, but we recommend to write only for %d. For character is %lc, for float is %lf, and double is %ld. So the data types are these mainly four data types. If we wanted to print the values regarding to integers, we will use int data type. If we wanted to use the characters like A, B, C, in this character we will store only a single letter only. Float, this is used for decimal points. Double is used for also decimal points, but in this we will get the range more. So I will show you these data types, how we can use this. Use this online GDB compiler. It is very easy to use. Here I will tell about you the variables. Firstly, I have to print the numbers. So what I should do, first I have to store the values into a variable. For numbers I will store the values in the integer data type. So firstly I will have to take one data type int, and I will take the variable name as 1 space is equal to 1 is equal to 20. Every statement ends with semicolon. Now I will print this value, printf open braces double quote %d double quote comma 1. First you have to select the language and run. Here we are getting an error. We will see what is there in it. Here we are getting an error, so we will take the variable name as a. We can take anything, but this compiler is giving some error. Here double quote percentile d double quote comma a. Now we will see what happens. Declaration is not here in function main. It is showing an error in the compilation. Wait a minute, I will check it. So here we are getting an error by using the wrong language. I'm so sorry for that. Here we can see the output hello world 20, and here I will give another variable character 2 is equal to. In this we have to keep one thing in mind, that if in character we have to declare only one letter only, a single letter, to written in single quotation. Here we am giving w, and note that every statement will ends with semicolon only, and I will write another float 3 is equal to 9.87654 and ends with semicolon. Now I will take double 4 is equal to 7 point. Now I will print these all things. Simply I copy this. You don't have you should not copy like this. You should write everything which one type. You will have to get practice. Here for integer the format specifier is percentile d. For character the format specifier is percentile c. We have to give the variable name at last after the comma. Here we have to give like this. So now I will run this program. We will get an error. Why? Because here we haven't changed the format. Here we have to change to percentile f, and here we have to change percentile d. Now we will see. Oh sorry, I have forgotten this. Here we have to use the double f. No, only single f only. Oh, here there is missing semicolon, right? See, 20 w 9.8 7.7778. If we wanted to get the lines in next line, different line, we will give /n at ending of the double quotes. See, we are getting hello world in one line, 20 in one line, w in one line, 9.87 in one line, and 7.778 in one line. So in this topic we have completed the variables and data types. If you wanted to more about this, I will share you the PDF file, and you will have to practice a number of things in the YouTube. And now the last topic is about our operators. So for to explain this, I will use one program. So I will remove all these things. I will comment these lines, and here I will declare another variable int 2 is equal to 30 semicolon. These operators are nothing but we are performing operations on the variables like plus, minus, division, multiplication. So here I will write printf double quote percentile d space plus percentile d space equal to percentile d. Here we have to use double quotes, don't miss this, double quote comma. You have to give the variable names 1 comma 2. Here we will have to declare another variable. Okay, we will write this in another method also. So keep this one here. Put a is we are storing the value into in another value. Int a is equal to, so we will declare only once. We can do like this also. Int a, and in next line a is equal to 1 plus 2. Always use small letters only because C programming language is a case sensitive language. A is equal to 1 minus 2. A is equal to 1 into 2 semicolon. Plus will add 2, minus will subtract, the star symbol will multiplicate two numbers, and this 1 by 2. I will tell you one thing when the output will come. Here is one other operator called modulus operator. This modulus operator will give remainder. This by operator will give quotient value. So 1 comma 2 comma a. Every statement ends with semicolon. I will copy and I will print this statement for 5 times. I will change the operators in this minus, multiplication, division, modulo. Now I will run the program. What we will see what happens in this. Here we have to go to percentiles. Why? Because this is already a percentile symbol only. Here we are getting 20 plus 30 is equal to, here we have to get 50, but it is getting something wrong, so I will change these variables so that we can get the actual output. What is happening here? I am not getting anything. We have to declare here first. Again we have to run the program. See, here we are getting, I will give /n each line. This is very big task for me. The output will come in another line. See what happened now. See here, 20 plus 30 is equal to 50, 20 minus 30 minus 10, 20 into 30, 600, 20 by 30, here 0. Here why it is coming 0 means it will take only one digit. Suppose 20 will be here. I will show that in paint. So 20 here is there. Here 30. Here we will do only 30, 0, 0. Here 0 will be there. Here we will get 30 and we will go 30, and again we will get point here and we will put another 0 here, and we will take 36 ja 180. Here we will do like this, we will do, but the compiler will take only this first value. This is showing this, but you see here the output is showing 20. Why? Because here we will get 20 value. It will take only one division only. It will not go another 0 and like this. I hope you understand all the things. So okay, we will meet you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep supporting.